Hey guys, this is Ishwari here, and this video of mine is going to be a little different from the ones that I usually do. It's a Bangkok haul, so if you don't already know, I recently went to Bangkok and my experience, I'll link it somewhere up if you haven't seen it yet. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the haul. First item that I bought from Bangkok is this shirt. So it's a plain white one with black vertical stripes on it, and I find it really cool for the summer. So yeah, I loved it. It was for 200 baht, which is 400 Indian rupee, and then you convert it to wherever you live. And I'll put the prices down here if so that just for convenience, I'll just put it. And then the next thing I bought was this watercolored dungarees. So this dungaree is like a skirt. So, but it's watercolor, and I really loved how this looks, and it has this small heart detailing. And I'll put a picture when I wore it. 300. I'll put it here for sure. Then the next thing I bought was this tube, but it has like a thing to wear it on the neck. So it's like a tube, but you wear it like this, and it looks really cool, and it's really nice for the summer as well. So this was for like 80 baht, I think. Yeah, this was for 80 baht. That's 160 rupees. I love the color. It's such a nice bright color for the summer. So now next up we have this t-shirt, which was for 100 baht. Again, I found it so cute. So this has a camera drawn on it. The next thing I bought was this grey sleeveless turtleneck type top, which has like lace on the sides, both the sides. And it has pretty mess written on it, and I really liked it. It was for 200 baht again. I think it looks really cute when you wear it. The next up, I bought this top, which is a tie-dye top, and it's actually like a sleeveless top like this. It's tie-dye and it has a cross back. So this was for again some 250 baht, and I found it so pretty, and I don't have something like this, so I bought it. Then the next up is this again tie-dye, but this is a shrug. So it's like a long shrug that you can wear over shorts or anything, and it's like this long, and it has this detailing in the end, and it's like full sleeve, so you can wear it over anything. So the next up is this really pretty, I'm obsessed with velvet these days, and this is a very pretty velvet top. It's like an ink blue top, and it's sleeveless, and the material, it's so pretty. I love it. And yeah, this was for I think 100 baht only. So the next thing I bought is this are these pants, which are black with white vertical stripes on it. This was really pretty. I wore it on one of the days in my trip, and I'll put the pictures here somewhere. So it is so cool, and it's so in, and it looks so nice. It was for 200, I bargained it to 150. So this was for 150. Next one, we have this tube top. So it is kind of transparent, but it's really nice for the summers actually, and I love the print on it. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the print on it. So yeah, and this has little like buttons on the front. This was for again just 100 baht, so that was a steal. Then the next thing I bought was this shirt dress. So shirt dresses are really in nowadays, and I really like this actually. This is like, it has little feathers on it, and it's blue and white, and it has brown buttons, and it also has a little frill detailing on the bottom, which I found very cute. So yeah, I bought this again. It was for I think 300 baht, that is 600 rupees. I'll put the prices again here. The next thing I bought was this off-shoulder top, which I again wore on one of the days of my trip. So this has such nice detailing. Just look at this. This is so pretty. And yeah, it's an off-shoulder top, and off-shoulders are so in, and they're so perfect for the summer. This is again for only 100 baht, guys. Then the next thing I bought was this denim jacket. I wanted one since a really long time, so I picked this up. It's like medium. It's not very dark, it's not very light, but yeah, I think it looks so nice. And I also bought these patches from Bangkok, which I'm surely going to put on them, because it looks so cool. This was a little expensive. This was for 400 or 450 baht. This top that I'm wearing, this I bought from H&M in Bangkok. Obviously it's a brand, so it has to be a little more expensive than the street shopping stuff. But so this one was the 650 baht in the store itself, and I love this detailing, and it's really pretty, so I picked it up. So yeah, this is all the stuff that I got from Bangkok. Things that I got for my birthday. So one is this skirt. These are all from Bombay itself. I didn't shop anything for my birthday from Bangkok. So this I bought from Forever 21. Again, this was for like 1049, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 1049 rupees. It's like denim, and it has like these buttons in the front which look really pretty on wearing. You can totally pair it with like a graphic tee or something. It'll look really nice. So the next thing that I bought from Forever 21 for my birthday is this jump. On wearing it was looking really nice, so I picked up. It was really nice. Again, this one was for 1799. The last one is my birthday dress, which I picked up again from Forever 21, and it looks like this. It's something that I wouldn't usually wear, but I liked it. It has these bell sleeves, and it looks really nice, and yeah, I bought this. So all this is the stuff that I bought from. They just help you in telling what you can get from where and what you can buy for the cheapest. I don't know, I really like the concept of haul, so I thought if I bought so much stuff for like such less money, it's kind of helpful for everybody out there, so I put up a haul. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and dare to watch my other videos. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.